Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about if SoFi operates internationally. SoFi, or Social Finance, is a US-based personal finance company. It primarily operates within the United States, offering a wide range of products including loans, credit cards, banking, and investing services. For the most part, SoFi's services are for U.S. citizens or permanent residents with a U.S. address. You generally cannot open a SoFi account if you reside outside of the U.S. This is due to regulatory and legal requirements. While you cannot open a SoFi account from outside the U.S., you can use your SoFi debit card internationally for purchases and ATM withdrawals anywhere MasterCard is accepted. However, it's important to note that your account is still in US dollars and some foreign transaction fees or currency conversion charges may apply for MasterCard. It's worth noting that SoFi has recently announced plans to launch an international money transfer service. This upcoming service will allow its U.S. members to send money abroad. At launch, this service will first be available for transfers to Mexico, with plans to add more countries in the future. In conclusion, SoFi's core operations and services are centered in the U.S. While there are some limited international uses for existing members, such as with their debit card, the company is not an international bank and its services are not available to people living outside the United States. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.